My girlfriend is a Looney Tune.
No, I'm not.
That's a lie. Well, everybody, be sure to watch till the end.
Well, if
Hit
I'm
that
a
like
Looney Tune
button.
and everything, then why are you with me?
Apparently, I can't even talk today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that share button. Question of the day: what's your best experience at a tattoo shop? Let me know down in the comments below, and be sure to stick around till the end. Okay, what's up everyone? So, today has been one interesting day. So, we decided that we were going to go get tattoos today. My original idea was to get a Lassie tattoo from Final Fantasy 13. And it did not go to plan. However, I do have to say, it ended up amazing. I did not get the tattoo I was originally looking for. I got something much better. I got a demon cat. Hi, dear. As usual, she's sitting right next to me as I film, and today she's feeling very goofy and acting like she's on drugs.
Well, I am very, very giddy, okay?
She got her very first tattoo today, and she is absolutely excited. It was something small, something simple. I'll post a picture about here. And yeah, so we went to the first tattoo parlor. Guy was rude. It just was absolutely horrible. So we decided we just weren't going to get them done there. So we looked on Google and found the nearest tattoo shop, which turned out to be a block down the road. And those guys were absolutely amazing. Everyone at that shop, there was just a completely different energy. When we walked into the first shop, it was downright sour. This shop was happy and fun. The guy at the desk started walking around asking everybody if somebody wanted to make $1 for running to the store for him. So needless to say, we did it. And my girlfriend, being the sweetheart that she is, decided she's going to go ahead and just get him a little bit extra because he's such a nice guy. So, we get back, we get to meet the tattoo artist and see the design he's come up with, because we'd already talked to him at this point. And we decided to do a demon kitty. He'd stated that he wanted to do something very similar to it. And we just kind of took both our styles and mixed them together in a way. And it turned out absolutely amazing. I cannot give this guy enough credit. If you live in this area, I highly recommend Freaks on Boulevard. Yeah, I think it's Freaks on Boulevard or...
No, Broadway.
Freaks on Broadway in Kansas City. That shop was amazing. And we got both of our tattoos done for a very reasonable price. And I just thought I'd make this video and let you guys see what it is. I'll post a picture of mine right about here. So, Question of the day. What's the best experience at a tattoo shop you've ever had? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. All of that fun jazz. And I think that's all that we have for today. See y'all later.